guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now for today's video, I am aghast. For today's video, I'm gonna be driving my mum's Ferrari 458. Boom! Okay then boys, for today's video, we are going to be driving this monster of a machine. We are going to be driving this Peugeot, right, 308cc. So this is actually my mum's car and it's also convertible. Just saying, we might put that down today. But let me quickly hop in the car because it's cold out here. Boom! So for today's video, I'm getting insured on this bad boy, just for literally like an hour, just so I can try it out, you know what I mean? We're gonna be driving to Tesco's. My mum needs to fill the car up. It's kind of gonna be like a drive for me, but I'm really excited to try. I know this is like a low-end Ferrari, but hopefully some people might enjoy watching this. Honestly, I am excited to be in this bad girl, honestly. So I found an app basically which allows you to insure a car for like an hour up to like a day. And for this car, it's gonna cost me about, I think it said £18 for 2 hours. And then another day, I'm gonna go for another hour and do a POV in this video, in this car. Without further ado, I'm gonna skip all the insurance bit and I'm gonna get in the car and drive this bad boy. So I'm insured for 2 hours now. Ooh. How many miles has your car done? How many miles has your car done?
100,000.
I can tell.
Why?
Don't know, everything just feels really loose.
I don't think so.
I think so.
Slow down.
Why?
You're dragging as if it will run away.
Wait, it might.
No, just slow down in pressing the music.
Mum, just because you're an old woman. When you get rid of this car, Mum?
I don't know. I really like this car.
I like it. It's quite nice steering.
Yeah, I also
Don't like the gears.
I like everything of it. The gear is okay.
Yeah.
I'm not worried with the gear. It's all nice when I'm driving Philip's car and any small cars.
Yeah.
I don't feel comfortable anymore.
Really? Well, you like big cars? This is a big car.
Yeah.
Big car. Fourth gear. Wanna watch third gear?
It's too early for me. I don't do, because this car, even if it is low gear, is in high gear, it is still alright.
Yeah.
Oh, you're going to break my gear stick.
That's the gear.
Doing that?
That's just the gear stick making the noise, Mum.
No.
Oh, the steering's so light, you know.
Shush, Michael.
No, I'm being serious.
Okay, go into the first one.
Really? I thought it was going to go to the second one.
Well, it's empty in the other one.
Mum, I'm kidding. If you didn't guess already, we went to the petrol station to get some gas. And this Ferrari full tank came to about £57. That's crazy to me. Don't go, guys. I'm right here. I'm right here. It's quite hard to see, actually. Right. I'm just going to have to wing it, basically. Wait, first time parking your car. Wait. Don't worry, I went back into anything. What does 3 bars mean?
That means you're already.
So I just stop there. Stop at Tesco now. Okay, so I've just made it to Tesco and we're about to go get some nice snackies. But yeah, obviously we drove all the way here. The only thing that I was kind of confused about is this cruise control. I think we just have to push it down, like this little wheel down, and then it will go on cruise control. So I'll try that now, well, once we start going off again. But yeah, honestly, not very nice to drive. Again, it's 100,000 miles, but my mum should be getting rid of this soon-ish. So obviously I want to test drive it while I can. Yeah, I've got 2 hours on the insurance, so after this I'm gonna go do a POV, which is gonna be another video. I think it's a bigger engine, so but compared to the size of it compared to mine, it just feels like I'm driving my car pretty much by power. One thing I really like about this car is obviously the armrest. Like, look at this, right? So obviously you can store stuff in there, but obviously you can lift this up. And then you can feel like a boss, bitch. So yeah, basically I really need a poo, so I'm gonna go into Tesco and I'm gonna go have a poo. And then yeah, that's it. And we're off, boy. Nice boys. I figured it out. So you put cruise on and then you click set.
Just leave it.
Yeah, look. So look, where you press this. And then if you want to go up a speed, you go press it again. I'm cruising at 50, boy.
What's the matter with you?
I'm a bad boy, mama.
Thank you.
Thanks for the drive, Mum. So that was the drive in the absolute V12 Ferrari, aka Peugeot 308. That drive was literally just a drive to Tesco and back, like with my mum. Nothing really more than that. It wasn't really a review on the car or anything. But yeah, honestly, really enjoyed driving the car. Almost gave me a whiplash. Honestly, the best part about this car isn't the driving. It's honestly just how you're feeling it, you know what I mean? You feel like a boss-ass bitch. Oh, jeez. One thing I really like about this car is this little armrest. I know most cars have it, but like, look at that. That's just so comfy. And then if you want to like just change gears, you just got this. Look at my arm. Mate, I'm chilling. Chilling, boy. So that was unfortunately the whole drive. I am releasing a POV. Overall thoughts about the car, I honestly enjoyed driving it. Obviously 100,000 miles, it's not the nicest to drive, but I did enjoy driving it. I like these bloody indicators. You guys know I have an indicator fetish, because like my indicators just go, they don't stay down, they flick back up every time, you know what I mean? They flip back down. So yeah guys, unfortunately that is the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. I know it's not the most entertaining video ever. Just thought I'd do a video on it while I can. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at _OtherStuff. If you didn't, don't do that. And dislike the video, but tell me why. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see your faces in my next video. What?